Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the sticker and immediate area. If an edge is lifting, use tweezers to gently lift just enough to inspect the adhesive. Do not pull hard. Next, clean surrounding plastic with a cotton swab and 70% isopropyl to remove oils and dust because a clean surface improves bond. Once done, let it fully dry. Moisture prevents adhesion. Make sure to have your gentle adhesive ready and a steady surface to work on so small parts don't get lost. You now re-adhere the sticker with precision. Use a toothpick to place a tiny bead of a clear, tacky adhesive along the lifted edge or underside. Excess glue will ooze and damage the sticker, so less is more. Position the sticker, then press from the center outward to expel air and ensure full contact. Once aligned, protect the face with a soft pad and apply gentle, even pressure for 10 to 20 minutes so the bond sets without distortion. Make sure alignment stays true before the adhesive skins over. You finish by letting the adhesive fully cure. Follow product instructions. Then clean any residue with a lightly dampened swab, taking care not to disturb the repair. If a small bubble or edge lifts later, gently lift that area and repress with minimal new adhesive, or use a thin pin to coax trapped air toward the nearest edge. Reseal afterward. If the sticker is brittle or repeatedly fails, replace it with a cut decal or protect it with a thin, clear coat to prevent future peeling.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.